why? Because it's holiday, so I have time to walk around here in central Hong Kong. So after I attend the 20th anniversary, is it 20th anniversary of our church, so I decided to live there and have a walk here in central. As you can see, the central will become crowded because of our kababayan who stay here. I'm belong of them, so yan, makikita mo sila, nag-stay lang sila dyan sa baba ng ang tawag doon, besides the road. So yun po yung tambayan ng mga kababayan natin, and some is nandiyan sa gilid-gilid, they're just sitting there hanggang matapos ang mga araw. So hindi talaga hindi madali ang maging isang OFW. So I salute all of you, and nandito na ako lakad-lakad. So it's been I think afternoon, so I decided to have a walk here, and this is IFC Mall. So I want to go to the parang may park dyan sa taas. So this is the park, parang malit lang siya na park, and you can see the surrounding up there, and it's a nice view. So you can take it's good to take a picture or videos, or good for vlogging. So I decided to come here, and so this is it. Ko na siya. Na-video ko na siya. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Hong Kong actually. So if you have a time to come here, then it's you can enjoy this city.
No pude una vez que me voy, mata un perro y todo mata perros. Una vez que he matado un perro. ¿Tampoco?
That's it for today. So I'm going back home. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.